How two college students made $600,000 in 24 hours. A simple pricing trick led to thousands of orders. In 2017, University of Arizona students Alan Alkalel and Brady Silverwood devised a strategy to promote their swimsuit line, Sunny Co Clothing. They promised everyone who reposted the image above a free swimsuit, just pay $12 shipping, retail value $64.99. Offer ends in 24 hours. Overnight, their Instagram following jumped from 7,000 to 784,000. More than 346,000 people took up their offer, forcing them to cap the promotion at 50,000 units. Let's do the math. 50,000 units x $12 equals $600,000. No, that's not a typo. The campaign grossed over $600,000 in 24 hours. It was so unexpectedly popular they had to issue almost $73,000 in refunds because they couldn't meet demand. This spawned a slew of articles calling the campaign a failure. One writer even thought that it belonged in the same category as the infamous Fyre Festival. But if these publications had just paused to think, they might have realized they were missing the big picture. Inventory issues aside, the real story was that two college students generated more revenue in one day than many businesses do in a year. And they did it with effectively $0 in ad spend. Truth is, there's a lot to learn from their campaign, so let's mine some nuggets of wisdom. In this video, I'm going to break down key lessons you can apply to your own marketing strategies. Then, I'll provide a template you can use to recreate their success. Nothing Sunny Co did was revolutionary, it was simply well executed. And if you follow the principles they used, you too can become an overnight sensation. How much was profit? First, let's take a closer look at the numbers. Unless you manufacture your own goods, the only way you can promise a swimsuit for $12 is by buying in bulk to keep costs low. In light of this, it's likely Sunny Co sourced their product from an overseas supplier. I did a quick search on Alibaba and found a similar swimsuit that cost $6.10 per unit when ordering over 100. Let's assume they were able to negotiate down to $3 per unit, given they ordered 50,000 pieces. In 2017, you could ship a 7-ounce package across the US for about $3 via USPS First Class. Factor in 50 cents for packaging, branding and 70 cents for payment processing fees, and that brings total costs to $7.20. Estimated profit equals $12 to $7.20 equals $4.80 per unit. We know they ended up issuing roughly $73,000 in refunds. But assuming they could tell the future and adequately plan their supply chain, they would have raked in over $240,000 in profit in 24 hours. Wow. Why it worked. 3 key factors. Free turns heads. Want to command attention. Offer something for free. Caveat, as we saw above, Sunny Co used the word free fairly liberally. In any other context, $12 shipping for a single swimsuit is outrageous. Nevertheless, it's likely many customers realized this and still wanted in, especially when compared alongside a $64.99 retail price. The real takeaway here is that people love the idea of free, even if it's merely framed as such. Urgency sells. If free grabs the audience's attention, limited time offers give them no choice but to respond. Sunny Co took advantage of this by restricting their campaign to 24 hours, which persuaded their audience to jump on board right away. There's nothing worse than missing out on a chance to grab something for free because you waited too long to act. Relevant content converts. This campaign went viral for a reason. Points 1 and 2 are critical, but they would have fallen flat if the Instagram image wasn't appealing to their audience. That wasn't an issue for the Sunny Co team, because they chose an image that looked like an Instagram post their target audience would typically make, not a spammy ad. Incorporated their target audience's interests, warm weather and swimming pools. Used colors associated with excitement, i.e., red. These elements ensured their campaign got noticed. Thanks for watching, please subscribe and visit 9kink for more stories.